Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve issues you may be having with the Microsoft Basic Display Adapter driver on your Windows computer. So I'm going to show you guys a couple different troubleshooting methods, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing is opening up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to double click on the display adapter entry in here, and then if you see Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, go ahead and right click on it and select Update Driver. Select where's to search automatically for drivers, and you can try searching for updates as well through Windows Update. However, you're welcome to also browse my computer for drivers if it's unable to find anything online. So select Browse my computer for drivers and select, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So I'm actually going to select the VMware SVGA one because I don't have a Microsoft Basic Display driver here. I don't want to do it. It's not going to be the right one for my computer. But anyway, go ahead and select Next. And then once that's done, you should hopefully be good to go at that point. And you can also check through Windows Update as well to see if there's any updates available. That might be underneath optional updates too. So if you were to open up search, type in update, check for updates, it's the best result. I mean, we can get to it a couple different ways, but if we go underneath Windows Update here and select Advanced Options, and then we scroll down underneath Additional Options, if there are any optional updates available, they would appear down here. This is where a lot of driver updates end up, so it's always worth taking a look every once in a while regardless. If it's just for display drivers or just in general, computer usage, you should always check over here every once in a while. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.